You might think it's all young people racking up student loans, right? And they have trouble paying those loans back. But there is another age group that is struggling. Joe Khalil explains why millions of senior citizens are facing mounting student loan debt.
When you think of student loan debt, someone like 65-year-old Murtis Whalen Hussein probably isn't who comes to mind.
I had to defer a car payment a couple of times to make the student loan payment.
About 13 years ago, her husband, who has since passed, became disabled. Her $9 an hour job couldn't support the family. So, at age 54, she took out loans and went back to school to become a certified medical assistant.
I was paying on my student loans and paying on my student loans, and I was getting further in debt. It was stressful, not sleeping, sometimes I didn't even eat.
Hussein says she even cut back on groceries just to make her monthly student loan payments. And if you think her story is unique, it isn't. Hussein is one of a staggering 1.4 million Americans over the age of 62 still paying back student loans. And for Americans 50 and older, that number jumps to more than 6 million with student debt. In fact, collectively, seniors owe about $296 billion.
Why is it that this population specifically, even though they owe hundreds of billions of dollars in student debt, isn't talked about when we have this debate?
When you think of the word student and debt, you immediately think about a younger person. People over 60 have become the fastest growing segment in the student loan market.
Barry Coleman with the National Foundation for Credit Counseling says seniors do get overlooked, but says the skyrocketing costs of college mean more Americans carry debt into their senior years. In some cases, paying off their own student debt while taking on more for their children.
When a borrower defaults on federal student loans, the federal government can actually garnish up to 15% of Social Security payments.
Sadly, Coleman says about 40% of senior borrowers have defaulted.
I did it for my family so I could better our living.
Hussein understands people opposing loan forgiveness, but hopes Americans don't rush to judgment about who has student loan debt and why they have it.
If President Biden's student loan forgiveness plan does move forward, Hussein would benefit from it, but there are plenty of other seniors who've taken out private loans who would not. Experts say that most seniors do qualify, though, for income-driven repayment plans, which could lower their monthly payments.
And that was our Joe Khalil reporting. We'll be right back.
Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.